Hello everybody. Today I'm making a simple egg salad sandwich that is delicious. First we're going to boil our eggs. Put them into the boiling water. And we're going to set it for 7 minutes. That's how I like mine. I'm going to just keep making it boil. And I will return when it's done and prepare the egg salad for you. Okay, we're back. The eggs are boiled. Now I'm going to prepare them with 1 tablespoon of mayo, a little portion of onions. You could put as much or as little as you like. A shake of salt. Mash them up. I like them to be real creamy, so I use a whole heaping tablespoon of mayo. And the onion just gives it that little zing. Good for a nice lunch or even a breakfast. You could use any bread you like. I'm using this thin sliced grain bread. And for some extra flavor, I like to use dill weed. Sprinkle a little bit on your sandwich or how much you enjoy. Gives it some extra flavor. Very nice. So good. Now for the taste test. It's so good. Well, I hope you enjoy. If you try this recipe, please comment below and let me know what you think, and like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.